Hollyland Lark M2S Combo Wireless Lavalier Microphone Review. If you're a content creator, vlogger, or interviewer searching for a reliable wireless microphone, the Hollyland Lark M2S Combo might just be what you need. This compact, feature-rich mic system offers incredible performance wrapped in a sleek design. The standout titanium clip-on design ensures the microphone stays securely in place, even during high-energy activities like running or cycling. With 24-bit/48 kHz audio sampling, the sound quality is crystal clear, capturing rich details while minimizing distortion. Advanced ENC technology, environmental noise cancellation, effectively blocks out low-frequency noise, making it ideal for recording in busy urban areas or events. Battery life is another highlight. Each transmitter and receiver lasts up to 9 hours on a single charge, and the charging case boosts total use to 30 hours. Compatibility is seamless, working with cameras, smartphones, and PCs via 3.5mm analog or USB-C digital outputs. Plus, the Lark Sound app simplifies adjustments like noise cancellation, volume control, and battery monitoring. The combo includes everything you need: 2 transmitters, 2 receivers, a charging case, cables, and windscreens, ensuring you're ready to record straight out of the box. Pros: exceptional sound quality and noise cancellation. Long battery life with quick recharging. Universal compatibility with plug-and-play functionality. Compact, lightweight design with a secure clip. Cons: requires 4C batteries, which may not suit everyone. Limited customer reviews, though the feedback so far is excellent. The Hollyland Lark M2S Combo is perfect for creators seeking a professional audio solution that's portable, reliable, and easy to use. Ready to elevate your content? Give this mic a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.